Good morning. This is just a follow-on video from my last one where we tried to fit a new propeller onto Glenn's island packet. Unfortunately, the manufacturer sent the wrong size sleeve. The new sleeve arrived, and this is just a very quick follow-up video to show you the final fitting of the prop. The sea trial went well, and all Glenn's got to do now is put on the sacrificial anode. So a happy ending to what was a very frustrating first video after all that work when the prop didn't fit. So for those of you that saw that video, this is the conclusion. So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. Bye.